Okay, this is your guide or tutorial to I'm a Little Teapot. Now, let's talk about what's in here. The technique is lava keys. That's that staccato with just your fingers. We have a slur. That means to play all these notes smooth until the very last one, and that's going to be a staccato. So we've got staccatos and legatos. Look, we have eighth notes and quarter notes. So counting, we got to watch. It's 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. Don't forget the rest. All right, what does that C mean? Put it right up there close. That's C at the very beginning. C stands for common time, and that is the same thing as 4/4. So it's going to be, there's going to be 4 counts in each measure. Okay, we have staccatos, legatos, eighth notes and quarter notes, and we're watching for the rest. What else do we need to watch for? The dynamics. It's mezzo forte for the first 2 lines, and then it goes to mezzo piano for the last 2 lines. And look at this little tricky timing on these measures right here. Okay, we hold this for a dotted quarter note, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So by clapping that, it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Got to watch the timing right there. All right, here's your playthrough for I'm a Little Teapot. We start with your pinky on F, and then we're just going to lay each finger on here, but when we get to the B, it's on a B flat, so I'll just put that there. Then the right hand, oh look, we share middle C. Now when the stem points down, the left hand plays middle C. When the stem points up, the right hand plays it. All right, here we go.